The party last night was lit. Don't know what lit means? Well, that's why we're here to explain. So, lit is an American slang term, it's vernacular for really good, really awesome. And depending on the context and how it's said, when it's said, it can take on a different translation, but the overall idea is you use the term lit to talk about something in a positive way, like really cool. That party was lit. I don't know, guys. I think I'm going to take a rain check. Even though this sounds like a great idea and I want to do it, I think I'll take a rain check. Let's take a look at some scenarios when this would be applicable. Right? So let's say I am planning a party or an event with some friends and we've been putting it together for months or weeks or days, but then at the very last minute my boss tells me that I have to work on a major assignment. So obviously I have to do the work for my job. That takes priority. So I'll say to my friends, listen guys, I really want to go, but I'm going to take a rain check, meaning I can't go. I'm going to go do something else. I can't do this thing with you. It can also be used for situations that are not planned in advance, right? So maybe at the spur of the moment, we decide we're going to go to the movies. And again, I get a text message or a phone call, and maybe a family member wants me to come home because there's an emergency or, something happens. So I'll say, listen, I really want to do this, but I'll take a rain check. I'll do it another time. I'll participate at another day, on another day, or at a different moment. So that's really what it means to take a rain check. Oh my gosh, I had a blast at that party. So I went to an event and it was a blast. In the second example, I'm encouraging someone and letting them know, hey, you're probably going to have a blast. It's probably going to be a blast. So what does this expression mean? It's not so much what it means that we want to focus on. We want to focus on when to use it. So you'll notice my body language when I said, we're going to have a blast. I had a blast. I'm excited. It's something that makes me just want to take action and I'm just really into it, right? So when you say you had a blast, it means you had a really good time. You're talking about something that was fun, it was exciting, maybe your nerves were racing, your adrenaline was pumping.